Jeez, I'm sitting outside, like, I don't know who can hear me or watch me, but I really didn't want to speak, to sit at home. I don't know, really wanted to get outside. It's really pretty here. I will begin this video now. Hello everyone! What a beautiful day. I just wanted to sit down a little bit and explain about this month. It was really intense month. Let's wait for a minute. שלום.
יש לי שאלה, מה אתה מצלמת כאן?
יש לי ערוץ יוטיוב, וחשבתי שזה יהיה ממש רקע יפה לסרטון.
איך קוראים לערוץ שלך?
טייני תום.
טייני תום?
כן. This is my cute neighbors, they live upstairs. You want to say your names? השמות שלכם?
טומי.
טומי?
קריסטינה.
קריסטינה? Such cute kids. I love them. Okay, so I will begin again. I just saw my cute neighbors from upstairs. They came to say hello. So yeah, I just wanted to sit a little bit and because we came back from the UK trip and I really got into really deep depression and I didn't want to film anything. I was so stuck. I didn't have any muse to do anything. I didn't want to edit. I didn't want nothing. I was so excited about coming back to Israel and edit all the amazing footage I had from UK, and I just was so stuck. And I did the London videos, and I'm not happy with them because I can see that I was depressed and I didn't like what I did with this. Oh, I picked the best time to come and film this because now all the kids coming back from school, so maybe I will move later because yeah, it's a little bit embarrassing. It was like days I didn't want to get out of bed, like just wanted to sleep all day and to go to the next day, and I was like, oh my god, maybe it will be better next day. So yeah, I think it was something like a month. I didn't want to leave. Yeah, so I did film a little bit, but yeah, all my footage, like most of my footage, got deleted. Oh my goodness. And me and Roman went to this beautiful place called the Lost Lake. It's near Yotvata. It's like 20 minutes from Elat. It was like 4 hours drive from here. It was so fun. We went in the middle of the night. It was like one of these days, you know, if you saw my previous videos, you can see we really like doing road trips. So it was like, oh, maybe let's go today. I really want to see this place again because we were in there like 1 year ago and it was like so dreamy. And we went there in the middle of the night and we got to see like 5 teenagers from the United States that came to Israel, and that was so high. They was like after a LSD trip, and it was so funny to see them. And there was like what, 18 or something. Yeah, so it was really funny, but again, most of the footage was deleted. I'm so happy I filmed with my iPhone a little bit.
My stomach is hurting.
Oh, do you see them? They're so cute.
Ta-da! It was my performance. What's up?
Amazing! Will you look at this place? Oh my god! Oh, I'm in Wonderland! Woohoo! Wow, the weapon!
מה? כן, וואלה, וואחד נשק.
Yo, זה חד! It's pointy! Oh my god! That's like an axe! That's so pointy! This is what I love about road trips. We end up in the most amazing places. And it's like this place speaks to our soul and just call us, stop here. It was like we sat on the car and I was like, oh man, stop the car! Oh, and we end up here. This is, oh, this is, oh my god. This is why I love life so much, because this planet is the best. You see what Mother Earth gives us. It's the most amazing thing in the whole world, the whole universe. Look at this flower. Oh, it's gorgeous. I think I need to, it's better for me to go back to Roma because I think I walked really far by now. Oh, look at the floor I'm going on. That's the life. Fabulous as always.
flower.
Oh my god! It's a flower. And this is leaves. It's a leaf fossil. There's stones like this as long as the eye can see right now. It's like so far away. All the black you see above, it's rocks like this.
Rocks. And this one is rock.
Took some coffee before we driving home because we have another 2 hours. We are today 8 hours on the road, I think already. So yeah, you know, it's now it's 10 in the morning. Just for you know, we usually go to sleep 7 a.m. 8 a.m. Yeah, so today we are wild. Yeah, so let's see where we end up next. Bye. He's purring. So everyone, we are home. We made it. It's 1:30 in the noon and we are going to sleep right now. I'm so happy you saw this trip and you came with me. Wish you all the best. Bye bye. להתראות. Mwah. So yeah, everybody, this is all I had to say. If I missed something, maybe I will film it at home. But I'm so happy you saw this video. I'm really happy I opened a YouTube channel, because I don't know, it's really nice, and every little subscriber that subscribed from my channel, it's like a little hug. I cannot describe this feeling. It's so cute, and it's really nice that people want to watch the thing I do. And so if you are a subscriber of me, or if not, I'm really happy you saw this video, and I will really happy if you subscribe to me. I will deliver more footage like that, because I really like to film myself and my adventure in life. So I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, later on.